Doesn't it feel kind of like the world is all collectively experiencing this? The reason is we're experiencing what's called a cosmic alchemy. Who called it that? Me, just now. And if you want to learn how to not only survive this era, which not so many people will, but how to thrive. If you want to be in the 1% of humanity that is completely unfettered by what's happening globally and just you're tuned in and you're ready for the future ahead, then come in and let's do this video together. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew Love, and here in Whole Goals, it is my job as I see it to help you reclaim your mind, heart, body, and soul. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. I don't want to make a fluffy long video. There seems to be some sort of a pressure cooker scenario going on in this world. People are starting to break at the seams because of all the pressure that they're experiencing. Every system that we know seems to be collapsing, from the medical system to finance to politics to religion. Everything seems to be crumbling. And a lot of people are freaking out because that's all they know. But if you look at it, none of these systems were very effective. If freedom was a part of their design, then they were failing at it. If enslaving us or confusing us was their design, they were very successful. So the fact is, it's almost like the Stockholm syndrome, the syndrome where you fall in love with your captor. We were completely enslaved by a system that did not serve us well. And all these systems I'm talking about, they did not breed thriving humans. So to watch them all collapse, although it's shocking and startling, is actually a good thing. It's allowing us to then collectively create something that actually works. And the reason I'm calling this alchemy, this cosmic alchemy, is because the process of making gold is very specialized, and only the great alchemists could really do it. And they would take different elements and they'd create this kind of soup and they'd heat it up, and through this process of heating it would create a little bit of gold. You could create gold out of other elements. It was truly amazing. But that's what's happening to humanity. We are being heated up right now, and a lot of the fat is being burned off, meaning systems that didn't work, but also we as people, our character is being heated up and we're being tested. So if you don't learn how to have patience, if you don't learn how to deal with stress, if you don't learn how to connect with other people rather than trying to do everything by yourself, you will get left behind. You are going to get very sick, mentally or emotionally or physically or spiritually. That's why I created this channel. If you stick around, if you watch a bunch of these videos, if you get the Whole Goals Journal, if you really want to go deep, you can take the Whole Self Journey, the course that I created. It's all designed specifically to help you not only withstand all these trials and tribulations that we're facing, but to thrive, because you're not impacted if you create your state. If you curate your state, if you choose the thoughts and the feelings that you have, the state that you experience regardless of what's happening around you, then you are unfettered by circumstance and you control your environment rather than the other way around. So please understand that this is not going to slow down. We're in an exponential era when everything is speeding up, and the best you can do is to get centered and get focused and go along for the ride. A giant wave can crush you, but it can also catapult you if you know how to ride it. And in this scenario, the cosmos is moving fast, man. And if you learn how to ride that wave, you can go to places that humanity's never been in terms of our consciousness, in terms of our ability to connect and to create really cool stuff in this world. It's all happening, and you can be a part of it if you just learn how to harmonize your mind, heart, body, and soul. And it's all skills that you can learn. So I'm glad that you're here. I really hope that you can invest in these skills that I'm teaching so that we can all lock arms and create a brand new world together the way that it was meant to be. It's been a slice. See you in the next video. Peace.